Good day, everyone. This is the Outline Report. I am your host, Chris. I've been quiet for a couple of days because I've been heads down working. I built a tool for the Outline that allows me to auto trade it. So now it'll just automatically buy my picks. We'll not be releasing this to everyone. But if you are in the Discord or if you do want to like copy trade me, so most of you probably are not aware or are using Polymarket, but Polymarket is awesome. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's what I use because they have typically the best odds, and it's all decentralized, which means you can do some cool stuff. So like every trade is tracked on the blockchain, so you can go ahead and see what people are buying and selling. It allows you to find profitable bettors. So like for builders and people trying to find an edge, it's really great for that because you can find like 5 or 6 wallets that do really well. Then you can track them. It helps you build a signal. So my wallet is on Polymarket. I've got the auto trade set up, so it's going to buy all the picks automatically. Because one of the issues that I've been facing is I personally consistently underperform the model because I'm cherry picking plays. So now I'm just going to automatically buy them all, and it will size them properly as per the calculator. If you go to otterline.club/calculator, that is how this bot will purchase the plays. Now, the one thing, it doesn't buy anything over 70% chance to win. So if it's 70 cents or more, it will not buy. It's buying everything else. So the reason I'm saying all this is if you want to copy trade me, you have to be on Polymarket and you'll need my address, which I will give you. If you join the Discord or whatever, you can go ahead and copy trade. I'm using small size right now. I'm not doing big bets because this is kind of a very much trial and error and beta type of thing. But if you want to copy trade, you can go ahead and do that. It's going to automatically buy the bets after they're made every day. So that's going to be a lot of buys. It's going to buy all the NHL and all the NBA. And so that's not true. It's only going to buy power plays, that featured pick in the NHL. It's only going to buy those. So it's going to buy those, and it's going to buy all NBA because NBA has done really, really well. So tonight's the first night for that. So we're hoping for a big night tonight. Hopefully better than yesterday. Yesterday NBA went 2 wins, 2 losses. One of the losses was a spicy one. Anyway, today's a new day. We have some good picks on the board. So today for the NBA, we're having so there's 2 things here. There's verified value and NBA sniper mode. So I went ahead and I found a pattern that seems to be working pretty well in the NBA. Mind you, it's 7-1, not a huge sample size, but basically when 3 models agree between the odds of 40 and 59%, it's gone 7-1. So tonight we have Charlotte and Cleveland. Those are 2 sniper mode NBA picks. So I'm definitely in those. Then additionally, we also have verified value, Milwaukee and the Lakers. So those are kind of the main picks for today. Cleveland, Charlotte, Milwaukee, and the Lakers in the NBA. That's who we're most hopeful for. Those are good value plays. Now, Milwaukee's a spicy one at 25% odds. I find the NBA actually, like in NHL, I'm shocked by the upsets, but NBA seems to have daily at least 1 team, 2 teams that have like no chance to win, quote unquote, and then they win. Like normally I look at Milwaukee at 25% odds and say, oh, there's no way they win that game. But this stuff happens nightly in the NBA, so they definitely do have the chance. Same with the Lakers. You would never think they would, but hey, we're taking it, baby. So that's what's going on in the NBA. Excited for Olympic hockey to start. Women's hockey's been great. We're hoping for a good run in the men's. As in a Canadian, I'm obviously cheering for Team Canada. Let's go McDavid, McKinnon, Crosby, the boys. So excited for that to start. But I also noticed that the NBA All-Star break's coming up. So there's going to be a bit there where there's no NBA or NHL. Ooh. So that's going to be tough. So the end of this, so February's just a spicy month if you think about it. Dead of winter. Sports are slow. But I mean, hey, Super Bowl last night. Unsurprisingly, the Seattle Seahawks won that. Patriots took the L, but they had a hell of a run. I feel like overachieved, so you got to call that a win for them in some senses. But anyway, that's what's going on. Those are NBA picks for today. If you go on the website, you can go ahead and see those plays. Yeah, that's it. That's what's up. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.